You had one job. Bleep. A delivery man should, deliver stuff, not trap you in your own apartment and require you to be delivered. Over the weekend, a UPS delivery person unintentionally made a California man a prisoner inside his own apartment when a package boxed him in. After discovering that he was unable to turn his door handle from the inside, Jessie Lawrence called his apartment's maintenance guy to help. Lawrence then realized that his door handle had been jammed by a package left by a UPS guy, who'd left it inconveniently right under the outside door handle, rendering it unable to turn. Lawrence later recreated the setup and tweeted a photo of it to UPS. Thanks to the power of Twitter, the tweet was quickly shared tens of thousands of times. Although the post has since been deleted, there's still plenty of screenshots floating around the interwebs. The tweet set off a series of responses, with people sharing their own bizarre delivery experiences. Some debated whether the image was fake, theorizing that the door could have still been opened even with the package stuck under the handle as the door opens inward. Others were simply curious about what's inside the large box. UPS customer support whipped up a typo-filled apology to Lawrence via their Twitter account. But do you think an apology is enough? Maybe Lawrence should switch to something else. Say DHL or FedEx? Well said! Here's some more stories about what delivery people get up to.
UPS driver tosses package over a fence and then urinates against the side of a home.
Pizza Hut delivery guy attempts scooter trick, fails miserably. Angry customers kidnap KFC delivery guy with CHOPSTICK. Police were called by a KFC manager to go rescue one of the company's delivery service staff. The manager had received a call from a pair of disgruntled customers who told him they were holding the KFC delivery guy hostage for 2 hours. Why 2 hours? Because the two customers claimed that was how long it took KFC to deliver their fried chicken. Police arrived at the residence and found one of the customers jabbing the delivery guy in the throat with a chopstick, threatening to puncture the guy's jugular. The two slightly inebriated customers explained to police they'd gone to KFC, but there was a long line of people, so they decided to order takeout. They'd started drinking and were pretty drunk by the time the delivery guy showed up. They were hungry and drunk and decided to take the delivery guy hostage as revenge. Police were finally able to talk the two into releasing the poor delivery guy and then charged the two with assault and attempted kidnapping. According to KFC's phone records, they'd received the order for takeout at 7:52 p.m. and the delivery guy was taken hostage around 8:15, which was when the second phone call had come in. That's only 23 minutes, well within KFC's promise to deliver within half an hour. So apparently, on top of being drunk, vengeful kidnappers, these two also have poor math skills and no sense of time.